Okay, can you listen to me, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. So please pay attention now. So actually, I was telling you about the animation. Animation is basically, uh,
Sir, can you hear me? Can I answer?
yes, Solaf Ibrahim, can you tell about animation?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir, it's
please.
like it is you add to text that you can make it move. Like it's like transition when you want to bob it or get it from a right side or left side to make it look in a different way.
Okay, good.
And if you want like to make people focus on any knot.
Fine, your answer is correct. Basically, animation is the movement in the object. Picture is static in nature, but the animation is basically that thing where we have got some data in the form of text or some drawn object or some cartoonic character or some kind of any other object, drawing object that is moving. Let me show you one example over here. If I open Google, let's suppose if I say over here, let's suppose a car. When we say car, you will be able to see different kinds of images are there that you can see over here for cars. But keep in mind, these all are static. Okay. But when I say car dot GIF is basically animated picture format. So when we will take this kind of car, you will be able to see that this is not a simple car, but having emotion in it, a movement is there in it. Can you see this? You can see that movement is there. The impression that you are getting that the car is moving on the road and going ahead. So this is called animation. Fine. Similarly, if I write over here cartoon.gif, so we'll be able to have some different kind of cartoonic characters which are there in the format that they are moving. These are basically the moving objects. Okay, so those moving objects which are basically in the form of pictures but they have movement in them. They may be some different objects, they may be some different kind of okay, in this way. So it is basically a picture but there is a movement in this picture. So that's why we are going to call it that it is an animation. Okay, all these students just lower the hands. Now I'm going to explain about this chapter. We are going to read it. Those who have raised the hand should lower the hand. Okay, Ajay, I just wanted to know about your concept about the animation. Now the chapter is chapter number 8. Okay, I have closed the annotation. Those who are trying to use it, I am going to take action against them. Let me close it again. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So Flash is a software package. Now, what kind of software is there that we are going to install? It is a comparatively heavier software, and you will have to have enough space in your hard drive to install. Keep in mind what is the version that we are going to use. Adobe Flash CS3. Higher versions are also there. If you have got some higher version installed in your PC, so when I will be teaching in CS3, so you may have some differences in the commands. Okay, keep in mind. And even if you have some lower version just like Adobe 5, Adobe Flash 5 or 4, so even then in that situation, you are going to have some problems because when I will be teaching, so I will be using CS3. So there will be some problem in it. And there will be differences in our in our understanding, because the command that I'm using is not available in your version. So what you have to do, if you have already Flash installed, see that, check the version whether it is CS3 or not. If it is CS3, fine. If it is not, then just uninstall it and install CS3, so that we should be on the same page. There should not be any differences when we are giving commands. So you should not be able to say that I'm not able to find out this command in my version, or this is not there in this way in my version, because the versions are advanced and they are different from each other. So it depends basically what kind of version is there. So the version which is recommended for our syllabus is CS3. Now, what I am going to give you, I will give you one link. I am going to give you one link in your Google Drive. You will take that link and you will install Adobe Flash from there in your PCs. Getting this point? You are going to install Adobe Flash in your PCs, and then we are going to use it. The procedure is very simple. Let me show you what is the procedure, and just pay attention to it. I will give you this link, Flash link. See this link. I will give you this link in your Google Classroom. When you will copy this link in your Google Classroom, in the title bar, address bar, when you will copy this link and you will paste, you will reach to a page to download Flash CS3. Can you see this? This is Flash CS3. So I'm going to give you this link. This is the link that I'm going to give you. Okay. So when you are going to click on it, when you will click on it, you will have one download. Let me show you in my download. When you will click, I am not going to click it because it will be downloaded again. When you will click on this download button, you will see that it will come in your downloads with this name. Can you see this? Can you see this? wafiapp.net Adobe CS Flash CS3. Okay. I will also give you the video of this lesson. Definitely you'll be able to see this process. Then what you are going to do, you will have this file. Of course, you will take this file, you will cut it from here, and you will go where? You will go in your C drive. You will go in the C drive and you will paste it over there. If you are unable to paste over here on the root drive, then you can go to the program files. Go to the program files and paste it over there. Just see the process. Okay, these are my program files in C drive. Let me paste. Yeah, it has been pasted over here. Yes. Then what you are going to do, you are going to extract it. Extract the files. Extract here. It will ask you for the extraction. When it will be extracted, you will be able to see the folder. Folder will come. After extraction, one folder will be generated, which will contain the flash for you. Okay. It will take some time. And then in that folder, what we need to do, we have to find out one file which is Flash, with the name of Flash. Red color icon will be there with the name of Flash. Okay. Okay. Now it is done. We have got this folder over here. Yes, we have. Okay. So what we need to do now, when we have already unzipped this folder, we will find out where is that particular folder that we have. Yes, this is the folder, Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. We will go to it. and we will find out one file will be able to will be there, FL red color icon, as I have told you. Can you see this? So what you are going to do, you will right click on it and you will send it to desktop. Okay, send it to desktop to create a shortcut. This red color icon, which is available in this folder that we have extracted, we will right click on it and we will go to send it to the desktop, and this icon will come on the desktop. Now if you click on it, then Flash CS3 Professional will be opened. Okay, this is Flash CS3 Professional, where we are going to work. When we will click on the Flash file action script 2.0, so blank stage will be opened. Then definitely we are going to study it. I am not going into in its detail how we are going to work. Definitely we are going to work and we will see different options, different commands available over here. What I have explained you whole procedure. Now if you have got any question regarding this procedure, just let me know. This thing is now clear? Yes, Ayaz Zubair, you want to ask something?
Sir, you will send us a link and then are we going to copy paste it in the local disk?
No, no. Listen again, listen again. I said I will give you this link. This is the link. Okay, you can also see the process again from the video. I will send you this video in the Google Classroom. Okay, you will paste this link in the Chrome title address bar of the Chrome. You will paste it over here, just like I pasted it over there. Okay, when you will paste it over there, the link will be pasted. Then this file will be opened for you, as you can see over here. So that particular file will be opened and you have to click on the download button. Fine. This is the thing that I explained. Copy this link, go to the Google Chrome, open this link first. When I pasted it over here, this is opened. Click on this option. It will be downloaded and it will be visible in your downloads in this way. This is the file that will be visible in your downloads, Adobe CS3. Okay, can you see this? Adobe CS3. So
Yes, sir.
then you have to extract it in C drive. Okay, go in C drive or in program files of C drive, extract it, then go to that folder, find out the FL file, this color file, right click on it and send a shortcut to the desktop, so that every time whenever you are opening, if I close this flash, whenever I need to open, I will click on this icon, flash icon, and then it will
Sir,
be.
you have to press extract here.
You can extract it in program files, paste it in the program files, then extract over there. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you can see this process in the video. I will give you inshallah video in your Google Classroom. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now related to this procedure, if someone has got any question, then ask me. Otherwise, if you have got any other thing, then definitely I'm going to discuss the subject today, that is Flash. So we are going to discuss about it. Those who have got any question related to installation process, they can ask me, raise the hand to ask me about installation process. This thing is clear, I think. Yes, Hiba Imran.
Sir, can we do like that? That when we download Flash CS3, we should when it is downloaded, we should go to the search box and write there Flash CSC. It will download it then, so we can go to this method.
I have explained you the easiest one. Otherwise, it's up to you. Okay. Alian Asad. Yes, what is your question?
A simple
Quickly.
one. Sir, will this method that you explained will it work on Mac?
It should, because simple extraction is there and then you have to click on the executable file. It will, inshallah. Safi.
Sir, I wanted to say that when you downloaded that file
Yeah.
from the Google, then we can simply go to our library and
Then
go
you
to
will
downloads option,
you will
and then
go
you
to the
can get from
downloads.
there as well.
In Google Chrome, you can see this is the three dots. You go there, you click over there, and you go to the downloads. It will show you these are the download. Then you find out this is the file. Click on it, cut it from here, go to there in the C drive, in program files, paste it there, extract it there, and then make a shortcut of that file. Okay,
Yes, but we
Ibrahim.
Yes, I wanted to ask, can you show me how to download it again?
By clicking that option that I have already shown you. This is not a difficult thing. I have already shown
So
you that
it
this is the button.
is
When you paste
from
this
which
link,
website?
I will give you the link.
Mediafire.
I am going to give you this link. I have already explained. You will
It
copy
is
this
too
link.
large.
You will copy this link and you will paste it over here. This will open, and then here is the download button, this blue color download button. Can you see? You will click on it and it will be downloaded.
Yes.
Okay. Saad Fayaz. Saad Fayaz. Okay. Yes, Mariam Amir, have you got any question?
Sir, I wanted to ask if we can also download this Flash on the software device.
You can, on which device?
Software device.
You can download it. You can try it if you are using you are talking about which device? Tab you are using, or laptop, or what kind of device is there?
Laptop.
Laptop, yes, of course. This is the procedure that I have already explained. Try it, inshallah, you will be able to do. Okay. Yes, Zain. Mohammed Zain.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर
Yes, walaikum salam. Quickly.
सर मुझे इस चीज में नहीं सर मेरा रिजल्ट क्यों नहीं आया
That I will have to see. I'm not sure about it. Okay, what is the reason behind? Maybe some kind of it would be some problem of the fee or something else. But you can ask me on the WhatsApp. I will let you know. Okay. Now come towards the reading. Lower the hands. Let me mark the attendance. All the students just lower the hands. All the students just lower the hands. Let me mark the attendance. Those who have not mentioned their classes, I have told you again and again, whenever you enter the class, you need to enter your class at the end of your name, okay? To mark your attendance. Your attendance is very important. And a number of times this thing has been explained to you because the attendance weightage is there in the result as well, okay? You would have seen this thing. No one will raise the hand now. No one will raise the hand. Let me mark attendance. At the time of attendance, if you will leave the class, keep in mind, your attendance will not be marked. Keep in mind. This thing already I had explained a number of times. Okay. Okay, from Aris Khan to, I said lower the hands. Aris Khan to Amal Afzal. Then Hiba Imran. Then Muhammad Yasir. And Rimsha Zia. Muhammad Shahir. Okay, fine. Now come towards the reading of the chapter. I have explained you the procedure how to download. As I have told you that Flash is basically a software in which we are going to make animation. Animation means moving pictures or objects or text, even text. We will make movement in the text. We will make movement in the pictures. We will make movement in the, different kind of objects that we can draw, rectangle, triangle, ellipse, different kind of objects are there that we are going to draw that normally we draw in Publisher or in Microsoft Word or in PowerPoint and in Paint in different kind of software, but those are all static objects. But what we are going to do here, we are going to do some movement in the objects. Okay, this is the difference. So Flash is a software package that is used for creating interactive web pages. Normally the animations are created to publish over the internet or to use inside the videos, you know, or to use for the television programs, or to use on different kind of, you know, animated lessons for the teachers that they make for their students. So there are different objectives that we need to understand why we make animation, because animations are comparatively better way to make some understanding about some topic. Now, how will we start getting started with Flash? That's why I installed Flash, because we need to understand this thing, how we are going to start it. When you have extracted it in your C drive or in your program files, as I have already explained you the procedure, what you are going to do, you will make the shortcut on your desktop, and whenever we need to start it, what we will do, we will double click on it. We will double click on this option. This is the option, red color icon that you can see over here, Flash shortcut. Whenever you double click on it, it will be opened. Okay, so whenever you double click on it, it will be opened. When you double click on it, this splash screen will come first. So what we are going to do, we will click on Flash File Action Script 2.0. Although the programming is not there in our syllabus, but we will take this type of file. Okay, fine. This thing is clear. How to open the Flash, how to close the Flash, how to install, these all things are covered. Then, as they have mentioned, select all programs. This happens when we have got the Flash installed and the programs is showing you. The programs are showing you the Flash over here. But right now, since we have made the shortcut on the desktop, so what we are doing, we are opening it from the desktop. Okay, so we are opening it basically from the desktop. Okay. How to take a new file, as I have explained you, how to take a new file. Whenever we are working on Flash, we will open it, we will click on the Action Script 2.0. It will give you one stage to make animations. Can you see this? This is white area. This white area is a stage on which we are going to work. If you want to take a new file over here to make something else, so you are going to click Control N, you are going to press Control N, or you will go to the file and you will take a new file from here, Action Script 2.0. A new file will be opened for you. Just like you can you see this? Untitled file 1, untitled file 2. There are two files open right now. So in which file you are working, when you will click on it, it will appear in lighter color. And the rest files which are open, these will be in darker color. Can you see this point? Can you see this thing? All the other tools which are available, I am going to explain you, because this is not a simple software like Publisher. Some different special tools are there that we are going to understand. Now, if we move ahead, this is the thing that I have already explained. You will take Action Script 2.0 or Action Script 3.0. Okay. Basically, this Action Script is regarding programming, coding. Okay, so this is the environment that I have already shown you. This is the environment that I have shown you that you are going to have, whether you take Action Script 2.0 or 3.0 when you take a new file. Tools panel. Now this is very important that we need to, whatever time is left, we are going to read it and we are going to understand it. Tool panel is very important in every software. The tools are there whenever we are doing with the graphics or we are doing with the animation. So tool panel is very important. When you open the Flash, you will see that tool panel is on the left side. By default, it is on left side. If the tool panel is not visible, it is closed, and then we can go to view. In view, you can find out whether tool is available, tools panels is available or not. Then you can switch it on from there. By default, it will be visible on the left side, as you can see over here. When I click on this small arrow button, can you see this? This small arrow button, double arrow button. Can you see this small arrow button? When I double click on it, it will come in the double row. Double row will be created. Just like you can see in your book. What kind of they are showing? They are showing you in the double row. This is there. When we click on this small arrow, it will be visible to you in the single row. Okay, whether it is in single row, double row, it is basically about the space. Otherwise, commands are same. So I click on it to explain you just like it is given in the book. Now these are the different tools which are available. First one is selection tool, which is available by default. Selection tool means when you need to pick some object or you want to place it some other place, you must have this selection tool. Selection tool will come with the black arrow. Can you see my arrow in your screen? This is black arrow with a dotted rectangle with it. Can you see this? With a dotted rectangle. One dotted rectangle is there with it. Okay. Then if you go to their free transform tool is there that we are going to study. Then if you see over here, we have got this rectangle. If I keep it press, then you will see some different shapes are there. Rectangle, oval, primitive rectangle, oval, primitive oval, and then similarly polystar. Polystar means when you have got different dimensions, you have got different sides, multiple sides, more than 4 sides, 6 sides, 8 sides, 10 sides. Polygon, if you want to draw the polygon or polystar, then we are going to take this. So what we can do from here, we can go, let's suppose if I click on the oval, then if I draw the oval, then you will see that it will come in the black color. Now if I want to move it from here to there, I will take this selection tool. This is the selection tool. When we click on it using selection tool, you will see some net like is there. One net will appear. It means that it is selected. When we click out of the object, it will be in its original color, but when we click on it, it will be a dotted net in it. Then if I click on it, if I place it somewhere else, then I can do it. I can place it somewhere else. But how will I place it? I will take this selection tool. I will take this selection tool. Okay, some basics are there that I have explained you. So now we should come towards these readings, that some different tools are there. Tools contain selection, drawing, and painting tools. These all are available that we are going to explain. View area contains zooming tools. Color area is also there that we are going to apply. When we click on it, can you see that this bucket fill color? Bucket is there. Fill color. If I go there, if I select some other color, green color, red color, so my object color will be changed. Just like, but first you need to click on it, select it using this selection tool. Click on it, then you go to the bucket, and then you select some color from the bucket. Then the color of your object will be changed. Okay, so these are different tools. Text tool is also there using which we can type. We can type some text, just like if I type PSM. So can you see that PSM is typed over here? So this is the PSM. If I select it, if I go there, if I change its color, so its color will be changed. Fine. How did I type? Using this T option, text tool. Text tool is for T option, text tool. And you can type any text, multiple text in your animation that you want to have. Okay, our class time is about to over. Have you got any question up to here related to this topic? So you can ask me, because now we are going to conclude. Yes, Salaf Ibrahim, what is your question?
Sir, I have two questions. Can we add the text? can we add the text to the shape that we inserted?
Yeah, these things will come inshallah in the coming lessons. Okay, today it was just a beginning. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, while downloading slash CS3, I clicked on adopt slash free to download, and it's downloading very slowly.
Flash is, it is a heavier software. So you follow the steps, inshallah, you will be able to download. Okay. And it will come in your downloads. Follow these steps. Inshallah, all the students will be able to download it quite easily. It is quite easy to download. Okay, fine. Yes, Aris Khan, have you got any question? Our class time is now about to over. Yes, Aris Khan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just wanted to say that I already got the same link that you have got to download the Flash CS3 and it is downloading.
Fine. Okay, Ji, I will give you the video of this lesson in your Google Classroom. Thank you so much.